Welcome to our video on selected chemical reactions of alcohols. Today, we'll explore the fascinating world of alcohols, including how they are classified and their chemical reactions. Let's start with a fundamental question. What is an alcohol? Alcohols are organic compounds that contain one or more hydroxyl groups attached to a carbon atom. The general formula for alcohols is ROH, where R represents an alkyl group. Alcohols can be classified into three categories based on the number of carbon atoms attached to the carbon bearing the hydroxyl group. In primary alcohols, the carbon with the hydroxyl group is attached to only one other carbon atom. A common example is ethanol or ethyl alcohol. In secondary alcohols, the carbon with the hydroxyl group is connected to two other carbon atoms. An example is isopropanol or propyl alcohol. Tertiary alcohols have the carbon bearing the hydroxyl group connected to three other carbon atoms. A common example is tert-butanol. Now that we have a basic understanding of alcohols, let's dive into their chemical reactions. When oxidized with potassium permanganate or potassium dichromate in acidic conditions, primary alcohols are converted first to aldehydes and can further oxidize to carboxylic acids. Secondary alcohols oxidize to form ketones. Tertiary alcohols do not oxidize under these conditions because there is no hydrogen atom on the carbon attached to the hydroxyl group. Next, let's discuss the reaction of alcohols with carboxylic acids. This process is called esterification. When a primary or secondary alcohol reacts with a carboxylic acid in the presence of an acid catalyst, an ester and water are formed. When alcohols are heated with concentrated sulfuric acid, they can undergo dehydration to form alkenes. For example, butan-2-ol heated with concentrated sulfuric acid produces alkenes. Lastly, let's discuss the iodoform test, which identifies certain alcohols. Secondary alcohols and methyl ketones that have a methyl group adjacent to the hydroxyl group will react with iodine in the presence of sodium hydroxide. A positive result in this test is indicated by the formation of a yellow precipitate of iodoform. In summary, we've discussed the definition of alcohols, their classification into primary, secondary, and tertiary categories, and various reactions they undergo, including oxidation, esterification, dehydration, and the iodoform test. Understanding these reactions is crucial for recognizing the unique properties and applications of alcohols in organic chemistry. Thanks for joining us today, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the world of chemistry.